Assalamualaikum and very good day. So for the class today, I will show you how we can solve the second ODE non-homogeneous by using undetermined coefficient method. Okay. So let's say this is the question. So using the undetermined coefficient method. So this is the question. So double prime and fx not equal to 0. So when the fx not equal to 0, that means the second ODE is a non-homogeneous. So the given the what is this? We call as the initial condition. So when we need to use this one, after you get the general solution, when you get the y equals something, and then you substitute this value into the general solution, and then you can obtaining the particular solution. So for the undetermined coefficient method, so you know the y equal to yc, y complementary plus dengan yp. So yp ni kita dah belajar last class how we can determine for the yp at the various form. So either in the linear, polynomial, exponent, cosine. Okay. So the first step we need to find the yc. yc is the complementary. So how we can solve the complementary solution? This is using the homogeneous equation punya method. So the first step, you bring out all these things. Okay, all these things. So you tahu y prime plus 4y prime plus 5y. So because they're homogeneous, so they equal to 0. Bring all this. Okay. So and then you need to change in form of the auxiliary equation. So auxiliary equation. So you know how to form the auxiliary equation. So y square, y prime, y double prime akan jadi m square. So this one akan jadi 4m, and the one jadi 5 equal to 0. This one I hope you all dah excellent, dah master, mesti laju. So after this one, dia akan selesaikan b square, betul tak? Dia nak tahu dia punya characteristic, what the type of the characteristic. B square minus 4ac. So b is the 4 square 4. Okay, multiply dengan 1, multiply 5. So you akan dapat 20 tolak 16, dia akan dapat negative 4. So negative 4 less than 0. So that means the root is the complex. The root is the complex root. So apabila you tahu complex root, so you terus dapatkan dia punya roots dengan menggunakan formula negative b divide by 2a plus minus set b kuasa 2 tolak 4ac divide by 2a. So negative b here 4, negative b 2a. So you dapat negative 4, 2a is the 1. So plus minus b square to 4ac, dah dapat dah negative 4. So letak 4 sini, negative, dia akan jadi imaginary. So 2 multiply 1. So finally you akan dapat 4 bagi 2, dia dapat 2, negative 2 plus minus ni 4 set 2, 2 bagi 2 dapat 1. So 1 kali i, dia akan jadi i. So this one your punya roots. So what is the for the complex? So for the complex kita tahu y sama dengan exponent negative alpha. Okay, negative alpha. So this one the alpha x, so the negative 2x. Okay, a cos, so this one 1, jadilah x, 1 kali x. Okay, plus b sin x. Okay, settle, because for the dia akan jadi alpha plus minus beta I. So here kalau basic, here adalah alpha. Okay, here adalah beta, here adalah beta. Because beta is the 1, so 1 je lah. Alpha is negative 2, you substitute dengan negative 2. Okay, settle for the y c. And now you need to, this is the first step. Second step. Okay, second you need to find the yp. So yp here you need look at the fx. You kena look here fx. So you dapat fx sama dengan 2 exponent. So you know the fx equal 2 exponent negative 2x. So jadikan yp. So exponent kekal 2 akan jadi c. Okay, so yp dia ni kita dah training kita dah buat exercise many time. So dia can get C eksponen negatif 2x. So you tahu kan kenapa saya pakai coefficient as the C, because kat atas ni dah ada A dengan B, already have the A and B, so I prefer for the YP start from the C, D and so on. So I choose the first coefficient is the C. Okay, C eksponen negatif 2x. Okay, this is the second step. Okay, third step, so you tahu the question given y double prime plus 4y prime, okay, plus 4y prime plus 5y equal to exponent negative 2x. So yp ni you need to substitute as the y. Okay, yp is the y, so you need to find the y prime and then get the y double prime. So you need to get the yp double prime, yp prime. This one adalah yp. Okay, yp already, so you need to get the yp prime. So you need differentiate here. So negative 2 differentiate negative 2, so you dapat negative 2. So negative 2 C eksponen negative 2x. So yp double prime, so you differentiate A, negative positive so dapat 4 C eksponen negative 2x. Okay, and then you substitute in the second, you substitute y, yp prime, yp double prime into question, into second ODE non-homogeneous. Okay, non-homogeneous, substitute all this in the question. So y double prime is the 4 CE negative 2x plus 4 y prime is the negative 2 CE negative 2x. So plus 5, so yp is a CE negative 2x, so equal dengan 2e negative 2x. So get the yp and substitute in the second ODE non-homogeneous. So they have the y prime, y double prime, and then you need to find the y prime and y double prime and the substitute. So you can dapat, you obtain 4 CE negative 2x. So this one negative x CE negative 2x, okay, plus 5 CE negative 2x equal 2e negative 2x. So this one 8, 5, 4, 9. So 9 CE negative 2x. So dia punya ni sama dia punya degree sama, so you boleh automatic you can direct minus. Okay, so 9 minus 8, so you dapat 1 CE negative 2x equal 2e negative 2x. So this one you divide by exponent 2e, you divide by 2e, so you can get C equal 2. Okay, C equal 2. Okay, 5 step number 4. Okay, so you can get yp sama dengan CE negative 2x. So CU is the 2, so substitute here 2e negative 2x. Okay, 2e negative 2x. So the final answer y sama dengan yc plus yp. So yc you tahu eksponen negatif 2x a cos x, plus b cos x. So ypu adalah 2e negative 2x. So here is your answer for the general solution. So this is your answer, but the question given the initial condition, the given apa tadi dia bagi, what is the given, okay, y not equal 1, y prime not equal, sorry not 2 but negative 2, the question is negative 2. Okay, sorry, this one adalah negative 2. Okay, so dia bagi, okay, the given y not equal 1 and y prime not equal 2. So you dah already get the y sama dengan eksponen negatif 2x a cos x plus b sin x. Okay, ni coefficient not cos sin. This daripada YC. So plus 2E negative 2X. So you boleh guna this initial condition dalam Y. So Y not kosong. So X sama dengan Y sama dengan 1. So X sama dengan kosong, eksponen kosong sama dengan 1, cos kosong sama dengan 1. So cos sin kosong sama dengan kosong. So dapat A. So eksponen kosong sama dengan 1 kali 2, so plus 2. So you akan dapat A equal negative 1. Okay, and for here ada Y prime, so you need differentiate this general solution. So kalau bentuk ni I prefer you expand. So you akan dapat Y eksponen negatif 2X A cos X plus eksponen 2X B sin X plus 2 eksponen negatif 2X. Why I expand here? Why I expand this? Because when you expand it, now you can look here. So this is the form in the form of the product roots. So they have X, F. So this one adalah product root X, X. So dia ada product root. So make you easier to differentiate. So U just pilih U sama dengan eksponen negatif 2X, B sama dengan A cos X. So U prime B prime, dapatkan U prime kan, U kali tambah multiply and multiply. So this one is the product rule. So try to solve this one and then for get the Y prime. Y prime apa jawapan dia? Okay, so this one you differentiate, so you akan dapat plus minus 4 eksponen negatif 2X. So you complete here by using the product rules, and then the final answer I get B equal to 0. I get B equal to 0. B equal to 0. So this is my answer. So you try this one to solve product rules and I get the B equal to 0, and finally you get the particular solution. Y sama dengan AU tadi 1. So AU tadi you dapat negative 1. So B 0. Okay, so ni cancel. So the final answer you akan dapat your punya particular solution E negative 2X. A tadi negatif 1, so negatif cos X, okay, plus 2 eksponen negatif 2X. So you simplify, you get eksponen negatif 2X, okay, 2 minus cos X. Okay, this is the way how you can solve using the particular solution. Okay, I thought I forget the one step here. Okay, I forgot for the one step here. So listen carefully. Listen carefully. Okay, so when you find the YC, when you already get the YC, so this one you want YC. Okay, this one you punya YC. Okay, this one you punya YC. Okay, and then here you find the fx and then you get the yp. Okay, before you proceed for the second substitute into the second ODE non-homogeneous, you need to check, make sure the term of the yp not equal to yc. Okay, you make sure you check here before you substitute. Before substitute into second ODE, you check here. So this one dalam bentuk exponent, is it? Dalam bentuk exponent. So by here dalam bentuk A cos exponent. So dia bukan dalam satu bentuk yang sama. Check the term. So YC terms dia adalah multiplication of the exponent negative 2x dengan A cos x plus exponent negative 2x B sin x. Okay, ni bentuk dia, bentuk for the term of the YC. Term of the YP is the C exponent to X. So dua-dua ni adalah bentuk yang tak sama. Ni pun sama, tak sama. So you boleh proceed for the substitution. Okay, this step never forget before you proceed for the next step. Kalau you lupa sini, master, when you solve for this one, you akan dapat you punya coefficient equal to 0. Okay, you akan dapat, so not possible. Okay, so you need to check here, make sure the term not same. So this term exponent cos, this one only exponent, so dia bukan dalam bentuknya sama. Okay, I hope for the second step ni jangan lupa so saya tertinggal tadi. So for the second step, after you find the YP, make sure you check YP mesti tak sama dengan the terms YP mesti tak sama dengan YC, the terms. Okay, so before that, so for the next lectures, okay, online, so the online class, so try to solve this one, and we discuss on the online class. Okay, so solve using undetermined coefficient method. Okay, so second order, so the given is the d square y dx square plus, so not plus minus 2 dy dx minus 3y equal 5 cos 2x. Okay, so this question dia tak bagi initial equation, not given the initial equation, so you selesaikan hanya dapat y, dapatkan dia punya general solution yc plus yp. So dapatkan this one for this question. We discuss on the online class nanti, online class. Okay, please complete here and we can study together, so you know which step you not understand, and we clear during the online class. Okay, thank you all.